Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we are covering Valero Energy Corporation, ticker VLO, one of North America's largest independent petroleum refiners and renewable fuels producers. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, the most recent trading day, VLO finished at $165.31, up a solid 1.55% on heavy volume. The advance reflects optimism around refining margins despite softer crude prices, with Valero benefiting from utilization rates and its renewable diesel expansion. The company recently maintained its quarterly dividend at $1.13 per share, and it's set to report fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings on January 29th, where investors will watch for 2026 guidance on capital returns and throughput. For VLO holders, key drivers remain crack spreads and demand trends in a volatile energy market. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. Excuse me. If you enjoyed this update, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more market breakdowns, and comment on your next ticker below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I will see you in the next one.